Hi guys, welcome to Beijing in Japan, and today I'll be taking you from Barbados all the way to Japan. Let's go. Yes, guys. So here my journey starts. I would just here say goodbye to my family and friends, taking the last bit of being in Barbados. Oh look, there's Asher, a super sweet girl. She's one of the other jet participants. And here I am taking in the last bit of everything, and then here comes Mr. Security Guy.
It's
It's
just,
right. Yeah.
I just want to remind you that you're at a security checkpoint.
So
No
I
taking
can't
of,
vlog.
no taking of pictures, no filming, nothing. It's a security checkpoint.
Right. So back to say bye to my family. Bye, guys. They were so nice. My family and my friends came to wish me off. Laters. Bye, Barbados. See you whenever. Bye. Oh yeah, another thing, guys. I hope that you don't judge my filming in this video because I am not used to. I was walking with 10 million bags, by the way. So yeah. And this was the departure lounge. We're just sitting there waiting to board JetBlue. And my phone ran out of storage after this clip. So we're gonna just envision that I boarded the JetBlue flight, which was 5 hours to New York, and landed at JFK and got to the hotel. Yeah. So here we are at the hotel in New York. It's the TWA Hotel at JFK. So I'm gonna just give you guys a quick room tour. So yeah, we walk in and here on your right you have this bathroom. It's really, really nice. Very clean toilet. Love to see it. Very high shower, yes. Yeah, love to see it. White tiled, super clean. And there I am. Hi. Had to show myself, of course. And then I'm gonna step back into the shower and trip a little bit. Oops, you didn't recognize that. But yeah, I'm just showing off this really nice mirror with these lights. Really, really nice. Yep, and I have to show you up close of myself. Of course, I have to. Yeah, right. So here is a little mini bar, cocktail glasses, wine glasses, uh, gin glasses, everything that you could want, really. And there's my luggage. Well, I struggled with three. I had to get that thing to help me carry them because it was too much. Another mirror. Hi. Yep. And there is this picture that says New York, TWA. And then here I am going to show you the view, which was quite nice to be honest. Nice view of outside of the airport. I guess all those people are heading home or out wherever. Yeah. A nice, very red chair. So I'm going to give you a panoramic view. That lamp is nice. Yep. And that extremely huge bed, which was very comfortable that night, and that TV, which I think I watched a little bit. Yeah, I did. Can't remember what was showing though. So yeah, this was the layover room in New York, and there's another mirror. Of course, I had to. Yep, pieces, peace sign. Yeah, and I'm getting ready to leave tomorrow to head to Japan. So I was just being weird in the camera. So I'll let you enjoy my weirdness for like 2 seconds. Two, one. Okay, yeah, we've had enough of that. No bite. So here we are, gate four. This is at JFK. We're leaving to board Japan Airlines now to head off to Japan. Right, for this 13-hour flight. Yeah, that was something. So yeah, here we are in the plane headed to Japan. I forgot to tell you guys that the flight to New York was 5 hours, and this flight was 13 hours. I, you know, honestly, I didn't have a window seat, but the girl next to me was so nice that she took this really nice video. But I was kind of uncomfortable during the flight, but I made it. And during this 13-hour flight, I watched three movies and read an entire book. Yep. And yeah, here we are now. This is when we landed in Japan. Ooh, look at that sunset. It was really, really nice. So I had to make sure I captured it. The girl at the window had gone to the bathroom at this point, so I was like, yes. And here we are walking through the airport in Japan. This is the Haneda Airport because Japan has two major ones. So yeah, so it's Tokyo Haneda. Yep. So I was super jet lagged at this point, and I was on my way now to go and take a COVID test. I must say that everything was super long and the process of getting everything done to get in Japan was so long. But they just wanted to make sure that we did not have COVID-19. So I don't blame them. And here we are, the vending machines. Nothing else to show you that you're in Japan like a vending machine. And here I was about to leave to go to board the bus to go to the hotel. Yep. And here we are on the bus to going to the hotel. At this point, I was so tired, so drained. I literally was traveling for like the last 2 days. I left Barbados on the Friday and I got to Japan on the Sunday, and we only got cleared in the night. So that was a journey. Would I do it again? Definitely, but you have to prepare yourself for a lot. But this has been the travel vlog, guys. So thanks for watching and tune in next time for my quarantine experience. I'll be showing you a room tour and giving you the deets. Bye.